Today we are going to create your free animated subscribe button. So let's dive in.
I see a sky with a reindeer car, but I'm not running. I see a train moving all too fast, but I'm not leaving. And you go round and round and round, and you cannot see. I'll be right behind you, honking the tree. You look so beautiful today, and how the game is changing. Just like this.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ola from Income Ola, and today I'm going to show you how to create your very own animated subscribe button. We're going to make it free with the power of Canva, and you are not going to believe how stunning and amazing this button is going to be. So let's dive into my laptop and I'll show you exactly how to do that. So first, let's create the button. I'll show you how to create the subscribe button. And when you understand that, you can create any button of your choice. Let's go to Canva, click on Create Design, write YouTube in the search box, then click on YouTube Thumbnail. This will give you the right dimensions. First, let's create the button. Elements, go to Shapes, click on See All, then go to Rounded Square, shape it as a button. You can choose any color of your choice. Let's make it pink. Now go back to Elements, back to Shapes, click on Square, another square, shape it really small, color it white, go back to Shapes, choose Triangle, rotate it for 90 degrees, make it smaller, and place it inside the square. And here is your play button. Go to Text, click on Add Heading, type Subscribe, position it inside our button, change the color to white. Let's change the triangle color too, so it will fit. Let's place it exactly in the middle on the button. And now you have few choices. You can make a green screen by clicking on the screen, choosing color green, let's make it a little bit darker. And here is your button. If you want to animate it, you click on Animate here on the left, and you can choose what kind of animation you want. Okay. Now, when you understand how to make your button, let's go and make optional things to this. First, to change your background, you click on the background, and you go into Backgrounds, and here you can choose any background which is free, and it will do this. Then when you want to check how it looks, you click on Play, and here it is. You also can choose photos and make your background from photos. Let's say this one, drag and drop, and here you have a nice background. So I showed you how to make a button and how to make background. Now we're gonna add fun stuff to our button. Go to Elements, and in the search box, search for bell. And choose any free bell, resize it, place it to the right of the button, Let's make it pink. Go back to elements and let's search for like. Choose any of the hands that you like, which is free. If you upgrade on Canva, you'll have many other options, which I highly recommend, but it's totally up to you. You don't have to. And free version have many features. Okay, we have like, we have bell, we have subscribe. You can choose any color you want. By the way, the play button, you don't have to choose this play button. You can go to elements again and write YouTube, for example, and you'll see play button from YouTube you can choose instead of this play button that we made. Now you do the animation again and you see how it looks all together. And you can choose the timing of animation here on this clock. Now let's make something really nice. It's something customized, so you can't download it because it have a picture, but you can make it yourself because I'm teaching you. Let's move this like a little bit left and go to shapes, to frames, to frames. Choose round frame, make it smaller, put it on the left side, and you can use your photo or any other photo. And let's say we want to use woman photo. Drag and drop inside. You can replace it by double clicking on this. Now go back to elements, go to shapes, choose round circled shape, make it smaller and place it underneath our photo. To do that, you go to position, backward, and the animation we'll choose gonna be tumble or rise. I like rise too. And of course you can change your background to green or to any photo of your choice. You can choose office. In the description of this video you have links to download some of the buttons I made, which I show you in the beginning of this video. Feel free to download them, they're completely free. Now let's say you want to make a transparent background. Get rid of this background. And you want to make it, won't be animated, but you want it transparent, right? So you just download it as it is. Instead of MP4, click on PNG. And if you use pay version, you can choose here transparent background, which is very convenient. But because we use in free version, we just do something else. So you just download it as PNG, then go to website called LunaPig. Click upload, choose our picture, go to edit, transparent background, and click on the background to make it transparent. Then go down, click on save, and you download it as a transparent design. So feel free to download my designs that I showed you in the beginning of this video. The links will be in the description of this video. The music is not mine, so you have to go to YouTube library to download it for yourself. Let me know in the comment which design you like the most. So that was all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.
I see it train.